So it is Thanksgiving today, and here's what we've done. Remember, we made the turkey brine and we put the turkey and let it sit in there for 24 hours. That's all that brine. And now I'm going to place it in a pan underneath my turkey. I'm going to smoke my turkey, but you could also place this pan underneath your turkey in your oven too, and just let all those wonderful aromas and that moisture come up into the turkey to also help keep it moist. The other thing that I did was I took some of the pieces of the and parts of that brine and stuffed it in the cavity of my turkey. I didn't stuff it too tight, but I just put enough in there to give it some flavor. And now look at all these wonderful herbs that grow outside in my garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop them up. I'm going to slather it with butter. Make this turkey wonderfully slathered, and I'm going to put all of these herbs on the top of my turkey. The other thing you'll note that I did is I tied my turkey legs up with twine, only because the turkey looked a little bit wonky when I took it out of the package. Some of the skin had fallen back and the legs were flopping open. So, yeah, it's 2020, so what did I expect? This is a small turkey. We're not expecting to have a large crowd, but guess what? Now it's turned into 10. So we are going to be roasting a chicken alongside this turkey so that we have plenty of food for everyone. And we never run out of sides anyway. We always have a ton of leftovers. All right, well, I'll show you the turkey after I salt it up and then get the butter on it and all the herbs, and it's going to go in the smoker.